So guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gerard and you're watching Gerard Gom. So today is going to be an ownership review of this car. This is none other than the OG Honda Civic. This was one of my favorite cars back in the days. अभी तो ये available और नहीं है, but if you get it in the second hand market, then you are one lucky person because this is a very special car. So आज इस गाड़ी के ऊपर मेरा ownership review होने वाला है, and those who are subscribers of mine in Kolkata, they already know whose this car belongs to. So Piyush, please. So this is the proud owner of the Honda Civic. This is Piyush. And Piyush, first of all, तुमने ये गाड़ी क्यों खरीदा? Like, what was your aim when you?
Yeah, when I was small, it was always a dream of mine. Chota mota dream, and basically this is something very close, like I can get to as a fan, as a JDM fan.
As a JDM fan, we are all JDM fans.
The closest I can get to a car right now in Kolkata. Being in my age, because उतना पैसा नहीं है कि सुपरा लेके खरीद लिया.
नहीं.
So this is the closest thing I can get right now.
Okay, so why the Civic? मतलब Toyota Corolla ये सब भी था. Why the Civic? Like what pulled you towards the Civic?
Because I don't know, man. It was always a dream of mine. Like when I was small, Corolla उतना तो fond नहीं था मैं. This was the only car which had those what do you say, like stock silencer में दो output होता था. This is something. And the wipers.
I was going to say that.
Yeah. So
Wipers उल्टा तरफ जाता है.
OG things which I was very fond of when I was very small. So इस कार के प्रति एक आकर्षण था. Like I was very attracted to this car.
Okay. So when you bought this car, कितना किलोमीटर चला था गाड़ी?
This when I bought this car was around 93,000 or something.
और अभी कितना चला है?
It's one
more than 1 lakh. So guys, this is मतलब 1 lakh के ऊपर चल गया है ये गाड़ी. Unexpectedly, like normally people don't drive a Civic above 1 lakh. So this is a very special thing about this car.
So I did a lot of work. Like when जब ये 98 पे था तो so I did a lot of work, like clutch पूरा जितना भी था. I told the
mechanicals
जो भी है निकालो, take everything apart, and if you need to put new parts in it, just put it. जो भी नया है, engine mount and all, some few things were here and there in this car. So वो सब किया मैंने, बहुत पैसा खर्च हो गया उसके लिए.
अच्छा.
तो वहाँ पे तो और एक story है. Now it is like completely fine right now. It's running good. कुछ भी faults नहीं है.
So इस गाड़ी में डीकैट एग्जॉस्ट भी है, उसका साउंड तो हम लोग सुन लेंगे. सो अभी एक्सटीरियर के बारे में अगर बात करने से पहले गाइस थोड़ा इसका मतलब फ्रंट लुक जो है उसके बारे में थोड़ा बात करते हैं. सो पीयूष, प्लीज इलैबोरेट क्या काम तुमने किया है एट द फ्रंट.
Basically this is I don't know, is it a Taiwan or I don't know what is it, like Caromatic Chandrachur must know. I got everything done from him only. So basically these are some custom headlamps. I had like this only. Before these, I had the same headlamps, but they didn't have this black finish.
Okay.
Black
so
finish.
This you opened and painted, or it came stock only?
No, this is a complete new set.
Okay.
I have that set kept in my house.
Okay.
This is a complete new set which came with this inbuilt only.
Okay.
So I don't know what.
So this is a very unique headlight setup. Like normally Civic में ये मतलब I haven't seen before. So इसमें headlight में क्या है? मतलब what did you install on the headlight?
Acha, this is having Osram as a HID.
HID, okay. And on the high beam?
Yeah, this is having a LED which is from Osram as well.
Okay, so HID और LED का setup है. So इसका response थोड़ा दिखा दो भाई, just show it to our.
अभी तो उतना समझ में नहीं आएगा.
नहीं, that is totally fine. And Chandrachur is here. VAG. This is JDM. So this is the high beam, as you can see. So this is from Osram. All thanks to Caromatic over here. And this is the HID, as you can see. ये थोड़ा मतलब fire up होने में थोड़ा time लगता है. HID का यही है. So light response कैसा है भाई रात को?
It's decent.
It's decent.
I need to upgrade it, but it's decent.
भाई तुम्हारा सामने का जो glass है इसको.
I need tint.
Yeah, you need tint.
Few stuffs. I need tint.
So anyway, the Honda logo is over here. It is painted in bronze. And नीचे तुमने क्यों upgrade नहीं किया LED में? नीचे
it's like pending, वो होगा.
अच्छा.
अभी पैसा नहीं है, सब पैसा डाल दिया.
अच्छा, वो तो है. तो ठीक है. मेस क्यों है गाड़ी का नाम?
मेस actually गाड़ी का नाम नहीं है. It's basically my name. That this is something I have given to myself. तो ये मेरा ही नाम है. गाड़ी का कुछ नाम नहीं है.
अच्छा. So this is
basically my name.
Okay, so this is Mace written in Japanese, I guess.
Yeah,
okay.
That's written in Japanese.
Okay.
And alloys paint किया हुआ है. ये
So from the side, as you can see, this is the look of the Civic. Glass, as you can see, ये तो I guess is jet black.
जेट ब्लैक नहीं है ये, आई डोंट नो
15%.
50 हाँ ऐसा कुछ होगा,
हाँ ठीक है जो भी है. So अभी टायर्स में क्या लगा हुआ है भाई? टायर्स लुक एब्सोल्युटली सेक्सी. So what is
so
that?
these are basically Lenzo.
Okay.
इसमें जो आइडियली टायर आया था that was very worn out. So I had to completely change it. So I पूरा नया चारों का सेट डाला था मैंने. So I put like 4 new tires in it. This is Apollo something.
Apollo which one?
I don't remember it actually. I got it from Indo Radial done.
Okay, okay. So tires अभी आप देख सकते हो, tires are pretty wide. ये कितना सेक्शन है भाई?
ये 205 है.
205.
15 आ रहा है.
अच्छा. And this is 17 inch, right?
55 R and it's
16 inch. Okay. So
16 inch
16 inch and the car looks lowered as you can see. मैंने पीयूष को पहले बोला था did you lower your car, but no, it's actually stock only. But ये टायर के लिए and because of this alloy it looks lowered, so looks absolutely sexy. And यहाँ पर obviously you have put BMC air filter on this car.
Obviously.
And the work, yes, and the work has been done by Mad Metal. So shout out to Mad Metal.
Yeah, Mad Metal.
So यहाँ पर obviously fuel lead. This car drinks fuel like anything. Piyush knows that.
मुझसे अच्छा कोई नहीं जान सकता. That is a big plus.
Okay. So at the rear lights are stock. You have just put this sticker, I guess.
Yeah, this is only a sticker.
Okay.
Which I put it. This is basically that like Sharingan. This is
Naruto. Okay.
So I put that and everything is
and
stock
over here also Honda logo is in bronze color, and over here you have put a reverse parking camera.
Yeah, this is a camera.
Okay.
Reverse parking camera. This is the old camera which is not working.
Okay,
currently.
and this is the new one. Okay, upper one is new one. ये वाला आपका पुराना है. So ये ठीक है, no problem. And over here is the main thing of the car. इसमें decat हुआ है, right?
Decat नहीं हुआ.
Cat back
हुआ है.
Cat back हुआ है.
Cat back
So okay भाई, तुम थोड़ा आवाज सुना दो. That is the main highlight of this car. So guys, that was the मतलब ये exhaust का sound. Do let me know in the comment section आपको कैसा लगा and whether you have a Civic which sounds like this. थोड़ा बेसी है obviously because this is a मतलब 1.8 4-cylinder engine, so the sound is absolutely maddening. और यहाँ पर as you can see पीछे में disc brakes आता है and Piyush has colored the disc brakes in bronze, so really suits the मतलब हाँ caliper. So caliper has been colored in bronze, so suits the car really well. So अभी चलते हैं guys अंदर और अंदर देखते हैं पीयूष ने क्या क्या काम किया है गाड़ी में. So let's jump inside and I'll show you what has been done. So as you can see, this is the interior of the Civic. Now the main highlight point of the Civic was this. यहाँ पर आपको dual type यहाँ पर instrument cluster मिलता था. Over here you get the speedometer, and I guess this was another reason why you bought the Civic, I guess.
यही है ओजी कार. दिस वाज बेसिकली ओजी कार. जो लेना था ले लिया, शौक पूरा करना.
नहीं दैट इज द मेन थिंग. एक ही लाइफ है, यू शुड ऑलवेज फुलफिल योर शौक. सो एनीवे ओवर हियर एज यू कैन सी दिस इज द एंड्रॉइड सिस्टम व्हिच पीयूष हैज इंस्टॉल्ड. ये कौन सा कंपनी का है भाई?
ये क्रॉसलिंक व्हील्स का.
क्रॉसलिंक का. ओके, एज यू कैन सी ओवर हियर
आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम अ शॉप डन.
ओके.
और इसमें लाइक इट इज ओके फाइन.
हां, इट्स प्रीटी स्मूथ ओनली. इसका स्पेसिफिकेशंस क्या है?
2GB and 32.
2GB 32. ओके, सो 2GB रैम 32GB स्टोरेज.
ये चल जाता है मुझे.
हां, म्यूजिक ये सब तो चल जाता है. मैप चलता है इसमें.
हां, मैप
यू कैन
ओके हॉटस्पॉट कनेक्ट करके आपको बस यहां पे.
सो दिस इज क्रॉसलिंक व्हील्स इज प्रीटी गुड. इसका प्राइस तुम्हें कितना में मिला था?
अराउंड आई गेस 15,000 के आसपास था. 15-18,000 ऐसा कुछ था.
ओके, सो दैट्स प्रीटी गुड. ओके,
मतलब याद नहीं है मुझे.
ओके, नहीं ठीक है, दैट इज टोटली फाइन. ग्लव बॉक्स इज ऑब्वियसली मोर देन इनफ फॉर योर नीड्स, नो प्रॉब्लम. ओवर हियर यू गेट ऑटो AC, and another thing is that he has put atmospheric light over here. So this changes color, right?
This changes colors, yeah.
So this changes colors. So over here you have put it over here and at the back like these seats.
4 पीस है वो.
Okay, under these seats.
Okay, यहाँ पे 2 है बस.
Okay, so overall as you can see visibility on the Honda Civic बहुत लोअर लगता है ये गाड़ी, एंड यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल व्हेन यू ड्राइव इट क्योंकि इट इज अ बिट लोअर्ड, सो ओवर बम्प्स एंड ऑल यू हैव टू बी केयरफुल. ओवरऑल विजिबिलिटी एंड ऑल इन दिस कार इज प्रीटी गुड. द डैशबोर्ड इज प्रीटी लॉन्ग, एज यू कैन सी द डैशबोर्ड कहाँ से कहाँ डैशबोर्ड है इसका. सो दैट इज अनदर थिंग यू हैव टू कीप इन माइंड. सो ये एंड्रॉइड तो आपने देख दिया. अभी म्यूजिक सिस्टम में भी थोड़ा मतलब जो स्पीकर है उसमें भी अपग्रेड हुआ है. सो व्हाट हैव यू इंस्टॉल्ड, मतलब क्या क्या तुमने इंस्टॉल किया?
यहाँ पे फोकल का सीरीज का नाम नहीं पता. ये फोकल्स का
कंपोनेंट्स है.
हाँ, ट्विटर लगा हुआ है.
अच्छा.
स्पीकर पीछे हर्ट्ज का ओवल लगा हुआ है.
अच्छा.
आई डोंट हैव अ बेस ट्यूब फॉर नाउ. अभी कुछ बेस ट्यूब भी नहीं है. इसमें मेरा चल जाता है. दैट्स इनफ फॉर नाउ.
और तुम्हारा मतलब नीचे इसमें क्या इंस्टॉल हुआ है? दिस इज ऑल्सो फोकल है, मतलब कंपोनेंट है, ट्विटर है नीचे. अच्छा,
हां, दिस इज का फ्रंट वाला फोकल का सेटअप है. पीछे रियर में हर्ट्ज ओवल सेटअप है बस.
सो यू हैव 4 स्पीकर्स 2 ट्विटर्स. सो 6 स्पीकर का टोटल सेटअप है. सो अब इसका थोड़ा रिस्पांस सुन लेते हैं गाइस. सो पीयूष प्लीज डू द ऑनर्स एंड प्ले सम म्यूजिक. सो म्यूजिक रिस्पॉन्स कैसा लगा गाइस, डू लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन. मुझे तो अच्छा ही लगा. बेस है क्योंकि ये फोकल का कंपोनेंट है. बेस एंड क्लैरिटी इज आल्सो प्रीटी गुड. सो आई एम प्रीटी इम्प्रेस्ड बाय द ऑडियो अपग्रेड डन बाय पीयूष ओवर हियर. सो अभी चलते हैं गाइस थोड़ा सा एक ड्राइव पे एंड आई विल गिव यू माय ओपिनियन ऑन हाउ द कार इज टू ड्राइव. सो स्टे ट्यून्ड इन द वीडियो. So guys, right now I am driving the Honda Civic of Piyush. So let's give it a start. So as you heard, the engine rose to life, the 1.8 IV Tech. So now let's just go for a short drive and let me just push the seat a bit front. Yeah. So So as you heard, the pull from this motor is absolutely, मतलब क्या मैं बोलूँ, it revs till 7,200 RPM, right?
Yeah.
7,200 RPM is the red line, and due to this air filter that he has put, अभी थोड़ा pull और भी मतलब better हो गया है. पहले क्या थोड़ा lag होता था क्या pull में?
नहीं ये lag कभी नहीं होता है.
NA engine and this is from Honda, so
there is no lag.
There is no lag, but now it's even better. अभी low end में the pull is a bit better than before, and obviously exhaust के लिए ये catback है, so obviously you will get a bit of a performance boost in this car, and वो feel होता है, and I guess the exhaust has benefited a bit.
हाँ बहुत.
So what is the difference that you have felt? Like I am driving this car, I am not a daily driver in this car.
Basically the difference I have felt till now is like I can feel the torque has increased a lot.
Okay.
The torque has increased a lot. I don't know about the bhp count or the amount of torque has increased, but yeah, torque has increased like.
So what is the stock?
Drastically.
So what is the stock power that comes in this car? I guess around
130 horsepower. 130 horsepower comes with, I guess, 140 newton meters of torque, I guess. I don't remember.
I mean, when you drive it, you feel more than 140 because the pull from this motor is absolutely brilliant. I mean, it's always a fun to drive a JDM car. I mean, a JDM engine. Naturally aspirated engine is always a beauty to pull. I mean, there are turbos and all, but to be very honest, I don't get the feel in a turbo engine. But naturally aspirated, मतलब वो जो pull होता है ना, you redline it, and the मतलब the scream from the engine is, I mean, it's something that you have to, I mean, what should I say, you have to experience. And
NA is a NA.
NA is always an NA, especially when it is from a Honda. So this is from a second gear. So second gear में कितना जाता है भाई ये गाड़ी? I guess 100
हाँ वो 105 I guess.
105. So tell me guys, अभी मतलब which recent engine goes मतलब second gear में 105? I don't think a lot of car goes. Even Chandrachur's i20 also doesn't go, and that is a turbo. Because car is a very personal thing. ये normally सब लोग को मतलब you don't like to give everyone the car which you drive. So thank you Piyush for that. And
बहन दे दो लेकिन
कार मत दो. Even give your girlfriend also to someone, but don't give your car.
दान दे दो.
So I guess you enjoyed the noise from the exhaust. Like it's another experience altogether to drive the Civic.
This is not the engine. Like Civic में भी ये engine नहीं है, main engine. हाँ है अपना K series. K20 लाओ. K24 तो दूर की बात है, K20 तो लाते, वो भी नहीं है. So how can we talk about the?
अभी मतलब yeah, that is the sad point. Honda, like we Indians don't get good engines. That is the thing.
We don't get cars.
We don't get cars. Yeah, we have cars like, what should I say, Kwid and all these cars. I'm not disrespecting any company. but I mean for us fanatics we need good cars to drive. That is the thing. Like I own a Swift, so Swift भी naturally aspirated है, so it feels nice to pull. And when you drive a Civic, मतलब इसमें I mean you get that feel, that raw feel to drive, जो कि like today cars are very different. अभी वैसा वो, this is a very mechanical type of a car, you don't get that electronic feel. इसमें मतलब you get all the like gadgets and all, but it's very mechanical to drive. That is the beauty of this car. And when you pull this, obviously people who own a Civic, they already know how it is to drive. And overall इसका जो suspension है, it's very well balanced. Like अभी obviously he has put lower profile tires, so obviously थोड़ा आपको मतलब गड्ढों से आपको मतलब बच के जाना है. And he has put the exhaust, so exhaust भी मतलब it touches the bumps a bit, so ground clearance is a bit low for that, so you have to be careful. But apart from that, हाँ
पहले तो ऐसा था कि the exhaust was somewhere loose, उससे क्या हो रहा था, एक आवाज हो रहा था.
हाँ अभी that has been fixed. Yeah I have noticed this. मैंने पहले जब इसके गाड़ी में मैं बैठा था, so मुझे महसूस होता था कि मतलब थोड़ा हिल रहा है कुछ. There was some, yeah, right now that is not the case anymore. It is totally fixed. But obviously if you drive a Civic, you have to be careful.
Yeah, very careful.
It is a very lowered car, so थोड़ा मतलब आपको गड्ढों से बच के चलना पड़ेगा. I mean you see, this is the what car? This is the Tigor and this is the Civic. So आपको Tigor भी लगेगा कि SUV है. So it मतलब ये गाड़ी इतना lowered है. So that is a bit of a problem with the Civic. Apart from that, it is very fun to drive. And मतलब इतना लंबा है ये गाड़ी, it's more than 4 meter. But when you drive it on the inside, मतलब मैं अभी drive कर रहा हूँ, it doesn't seem that big. I mean if you are a very professional driver, then आपको ज़्यादा मतलब problem नहीं होगा चलाने में. But if you are new to drive, then obviously थोड़ा आपको मतलब you have to be careful with the judgment of this car, क्योंकि this is a long car.
आपको देख के
this is a long car. I mean if you take gaps and all, then you have to be careful, क्योंकि it's a pretty long car. But it is very easy to drive. As you can see, the steering feel is very good. ज़्यादा play नहीं है. And this is, I guess, this is the hydraulic steering. So there is no play at all, and the response is absolutely brilliant. आपको लगेगा that you are connected with the road. Normally cars right now you can twirl the steering with one finger. I have seen that in Tata cars, but इसमें वो नहीं है. Even Mahindra, हाँ Mahindra also, and now even Maruti is also doing that. Honda also does it right now. So that is the sad part. So let's just downshift and we'll just pull it. As you heard, it pulls so nicely. It's so smooth to pull, and this car has done over 100,000 kilometers, just like I said in my video, and still this car pulls. And you heard the crackle at the back, the pop and crackle. So that is another good feature, I must say, of this car when you drive Piyush's Civic. So yeah guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a like, which is the thumbs up, and do share this video. If you have any Honda Civic owners in your friend and family, then do share this video so that they can also upgrade their car in this way. They will get ideas. So yeah, that is all for me for today. I will definitely see you in my next vlog and ownership review. Till then, ciao.